Yo, what's up folks, it's Monday and decided it's a good day to take the turbine down because I just wanted to check it because it's been a few months. Also, you can see the spirit levels. I've got some long cable ties, so the main job is to put it back up with the spirit levels in a usable state. Not very windy at the moment. I'd say it's about 10 mile an hour. You can see still got a tiny little bit of wobble which I'd like to get to the bottom of. It definitely won't hurt having those spirit levels to look at because I can use my zoom camera to look at them. But anyway, it's coming down and we'll have a look at it when it's down. Cheers. Everything seems to be in good order. I just need to find something to balance the turbine on. So that is much better. I gave them a bit of a clean so we can see clearly, and when the turbine goes up I can use my old school high zoom camera to check everything's level. One other thing I'm going to do while it's down is I'm going to remove the chain and balance the blades again. So see the link somewhere there, that one. Wiring seems to be all right. Let's get these things sorted. Whilst it is down, I need to sort out the problem with the tail, and that problem only occurs when it's very windy, but this starts flapping about a lot, like that. So what I need is a beam of metal to go from those bolts all the way over to here. So what I've done with the tail is I've bolted this on down that end and welded it up this end, and there's no movement at all. So hopefully that's good to go. Also, the weld had broken off this that I put on ages ago, and the bolt had it, so I re-welded that, so that can't have helped. And I put some weights on that blade, so we'll see how we get on with that. And I've done that, which is a good job because it makes it super easy leveling the tower. Typical. It's obviously on the PISS at the moment, as you will see when I go this way. It's definitely a heavy lean to the right. That's a bit better. That's eyeballed up. And yeah, we shall have to see if we get any wind. Hopefully we get a blast and it'll run okay. Cheers. So I've got my camcorder set up. Amazing bit of kit. It only cost me 20 quid. It's not HD, but it comes in handy. We can see there, that is the ball on the spirit level. Obviously we have to move the camera around to the other side, but that demonstrates to us that it needs to go that way to balance the ball up. Anyway, my back's hurting a bit, so I'm going to leave that for now, but it looks like it's good to go. Cheers.